While attracting money is a complex process influenced by various factors, here are 5 general strategies that can contribute to enhancing your financial prospects. Develop a growth mindset. Cultivate a mindset that focuses on growth, abundance, and possibility. Believe that there are ample opportunities to create wealth and that you have the ability to acquire financial abundance. Embrace learning, seek new skills, and remain open to exploring different avenues for financial growth. Set clear financial goals. Clearly define your financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that align with your values and aspirations. Having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish financially will help you stay motivated and focused. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often involves taking calculated risks. Identify potential opportunities, carefully evaluate their potential rewards and risks, and make informed decisions. This could involve starting a business, investing in assets, or pursuing new ventures. Remember to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice when necessary. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single source of income can limit your financial potential. Aim to diversify your income streams by exploring various avenues such as starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, freelancing, or monetizing your skills or hobbies. Having multiple streams of income can provide stability and enhance your financial prospects. Practice sound financial management. Adopting good financial habits is crucial for attracting and maintaining money. Focus on budgeting, saving, and managing your expenses wisely. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and build an emergency fund to provide a financial safety net. Automate your savings and investments to ensure consistency. By practicing strong financial management, you create a solid foundation for attracting and retaining wealth. It is important to note that attracting money requires a combination of proactive effort, discipline, and the ability to capitalize on opportunities. Additionally, financial success is influenced by various external factors, such as the economic climate and market conditions. While these strategies can contribute to attracting money, it is essential to approach financial matters with realistic expectations and adapt your approach as needed.